Right. So let's talk about conversions and why not all conversions are worth the same amount of money. This is a software as a service business with not a lot of spend. So this is 20K per month in Google Ads, and they have been having bad performance for about a year now. And more importantly, they have had a very uneven performance. Most of it can be attributed to conversion tracking. Now, the problem here is strictly of a strategic nature, if you will, rather than a technical one where a lot of shit has been done improperly in Google Ads. Most of the stuff that's wrong with the campaign, that's wrong with the account, is actually in conversion tracking. And this is exactly the point, because we have so many. Let me give you some background. So they are a software as a service where they have only one primary action that that they want the customer to make, which is to book a demo. And once they book a demo, they go through effectively a sales process where they become a sales qualified lead, and later down the line they become a customer. So it's effectively at best 3 conversions, no more than that. And you have this many conversions being recorded here, most of them being recorded as a primary. So this is the problem, because in the eyes of Google or Facebook or any marketing platform, if you have this many conversions and you tell the system, hey, I want you to optimize for conversions, the system is just going to do that, regardless of, let's say, book a demo being much more important than clicks to call. In this particular case, I mean, you most likely won't be able to see this, but it's clicks to call. Now, with this being said, how do you fix it? So you basically trim down the fat. You trim down everything that is unnecessary. That's the easy part, if you know how to set up conversion tracking properly. And then the second part, and this is a very important bit, is lead qualification. So you basically want to optimize initially for people who have booked a demo, but later down the line, you want to record sales qualified leads. In this case, you want to optimize for them, because you cannot do this retroactively. So you basically introduce sales qualified lead tracking by HubSpot, Zapier, whatever. And then you optimize only for sales qualified leads, which pretty much means that you're going to get less bad leads altogether. And later down the line, like 3 months in, 6 months in, you can optimize for customers only. And you can be sure that even though these are effectively offline conversions for this client, they will be offline conversions for this client, you are effectively going to have optimization, which is going to be for customer only, and you have done 50% of the work in regards to how this campaign is going to perform. Because essentially, most of the campaigns have been done properly, but goals, conversions in this case, have not. So yeah, that's how you fix it. Bye.